Alright, listen up. You've seen the dream, right? That incredible solo leveling style anime, sharp details, epic action. We all want to create something like that. But here's the nightmare. You try to make your own with AI, and what do you get? A character that changes their face, their hair, their entire identity in every single shot. It's an absolute headache trying to tell a consistent story, especially for an episodic series. When your hero looks different every 2 seconds and loses all that awesome solo leveling flair. But what if I told you? I've spent weeks literally pulling my hair out, and I've finally cracked the code. I've developed a system to create perfectly consistent anime characters in that exact solo leveling art style. And not just for one image, but for an entire series of shorts. Look at this. The same character, the same epic look, scene after scene. This isn't magic. It's a step-by-step process, and it's insanely effective. Today, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint to achieve this level of character consistency and art style for your own episodic anime series, all using powerful AI tools, including free tiers and trials. Get ready, because your solo leveling anime dreams are about to become a consistent, beautiful reality. Alright, every epic anime needs a killer story, and for our shorts, we're diving deep into a revenge anti-hero theme, perfect for that dark, gritty action. And for our instant screenwriter, we're going straight to Google Gemini. Watch this. I'm just going to give it a super specific prompt for our first episode, telling it exactly the vibe, the character's motivation, the grim setting, and the intense narrative tension we need, all aimed at a short, impactful story. And boom, Gemini just whips up an entire narrative for our first episode in seconds. Listen to this opening. Past claws at his soul, a phantom limb that aches with what was lost. This is insane. Think of the time saved on writing that dark, gritty storyline. See? It sets the tone, hints at the revenge, and it's concise enough for our shorts. This is our blueprint for this episode, and I'm grabbing that exact line right here for our anti-hero's voiceover in a moment. But here's the next level. You don't just want one episode, right? You want a whole series. Watch this. In the very same chat, I'm asking Gemini to give me 15 episode ideas based on our anti-hero and his quest. And just like that, Gemini gives us a full arc, from echoes of betrayal to the silence of victory. This is an entire season's worth of ideas, outlining new challenges, revelations, and pushing the story forward. This is how you plan an entire engaging series, instantly and completely free. Alright, we've got our grim revenge story. Now for the visuals of our anti-hero, Kael, and all the other characters. To get absolute unshakable consistency, we're doing things differently. We're going to use Gemini again to craft perfect visual blueprints for every character first. Watch this. I'm asking Gemini to give me a detailed breakdown of Kael's look, his eyes, his gear, everything that screams solo leveling anti-hero, and then immediately turn that into a fully optimized text-to-image prompt for Leonardo AI. This handles all the complex keywords and negative prompts for us. Boom! A monster prompt for Kael, ready to go. But we're not stopping there. For true series consistency, we need the villains and minions to look the same too. So, in the same chat, I'm getting Gemini to give me detailed, solo leveling style prompts for our colossal monster and those grotesque, mutated scavengers. Now, over to Leonardo AI's free tier. We'll pick a model that crushes that solo leveling look. I'm picking Phoenix 1.0 because it's perfect for those sharp, gritty anime visuals. Then I just paste that insane Gemini-generated prompt for Kael right here and watch it work. We generate 4 to 8 perfect, consistent shots of Kael. These are his character Bible, our absolute anchors for him. And for the monster and minions, same Same process. We use those specialized prompts Gemini gave us to get consistent, isolated images of them. This ensures whether it's Kael, a towering beast, or a shambling scavenger, they look the same across every single shot, no matter the scene. We're downloading all of these isolated character images. These aren't full scenes yet. These are our consistent character pieces ready to be placed wherever we need them. Now that we have all our characters perfectly consistent and isolated, we need the environments for them to fight and exist in. And once again, Gemini is our secret weapon for breaking down our script and generating the perfect background prompts. I'm giving Gemini our 30-second episode script and asking it to do something truly smart. Break it down shot by shot and generate a unique, highly detailed background prompt for each one, all in that solo leveling style. Look at this. It outlines each shot, tells us what's happening, and then gives us a precise prompt for the background. This is crucial for matching our visuals to the narration, saving us tons of time thinking about every detail. Now, back to Leonardo AI. We're using the same awesome model, but this time we're taking those incredibly detailed background prompts straight from Gemini. We just paste them in, generate, and boom, we get consistent atmospheric backgrounds for every moment of our short. See, here are the ruined cityscapes, the dark alleys, the desolate encampments, all perfectly fitting our gritty theme. We're getting these pure backgrounds ready to be populated with our characters. You've got your consistent, high-detail characters. And now for the crucial step that brings them together with ultimate control onto those epic scenes we generated from Leonardo AI. This is where we manually place our AI-generated characters onto their respective AI-generated backgrounds, creating perfectly framed and consistent scenes. The secret is Canva. Canva is a free and incredibly powerful tool for this. We import all our isolated character images and our background images. This gives us ultimate control. For our first shot, Kael rising from the rubble, I just grab our background, then drag Kael's specific image right on top. I can resize him, move him, place him exactly where the narrative needs him to be. This ensures Kael looks perfectly consistent and perfectly framed in every single shot, something traditional AI image generation struggles with directly when trying to do complex scenes. And it's the same for every scene. Alleyways, confrontations with minions, even epic battles. We just layer our pre-generated consistent characters onto our pre-generated consistent backgrounds. See how easily we can position Kael or even add a lurking monster to the shadows? This level of control is what makes your solo leveling style anime truly professional. Once each scene is perfectly composed, we just download it as a high-quality image. These aren't just stills. These are your meticulously crafted frames ready for the next step, bringing them to life with animation. You've got your consistent, high-detail characters perfectly placed in their epic scenes from Canva. Now for the ultimate magic, making them move with cinematic fluidity. This is a multi-stage animation powerhouse. First, we're going back to Gemini. I'm asking it to take our composited scene descriptions and give us specific action-oriented video prompts for each one. This tells the AI exactly how the camera should move, how Kael should interact, and what the atmosphere should feel like within the animation itself. Boom, look at these detailed video prompts. This takes all the guesswork out of telling the animation AI what to do. Now, over to Google's VO3. We upload our perfectly composited scene image from Canva, and then we paste in that intelligent video prompt from Gemini. VO3 then takes our static image and brings it to life with initial motion. And remember, you can get a free 1-month trial for VO3. See how Kael moves in the scene. It will add that initial motion while maintaining his consistent look thanks to our careful compositing earlier. But for that ultimate buttery smooth anime motion, that seamless flow between shots, we're bringing in the big guns, Google Flow. This experimental tool allows for incredible control, specifically with its frame-to-video feature. We import our VO3 clips here, and Google Flow intelligently refines the motion, interpolates frames, and lets us stitch together those short segments with unparalleled smoothness. It's how you get that professional high frame rate anime feel directly from your AI-generated assets. Whether it's achieving hyper-smooth character movements or perfect cinematic transitions, Google Flow gives us granular control to make our anime truly shine. We apply its frame-to-video magic and then export the final, high-quality animated segments. This is how you take your AI anime from good to cinematic, ready for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. We've got our incredible visuals. Now we need the voice that tells Kael's story. For professional grade narration, even on a free budget, 11 Labs is absolutely unreal. I'm heading over to 11 Labs, and yes, they have a fantastic free tier to get you started. Remember that chilling line we got from Gemini in step 1? I just paste it right in here. The past claws at his soul, a phantom limb that aches with what was lost. Now, I'm going to choose a voice that sounds like it was ripped straight out of an anime, deep, gritty, and full of that raw anti-hero power. I love this David Castlemore voice for Kael, and with a click, listen to that. That's not just text to speech. That's the voice of our anti-hero. It adds so much depth and professionalism to our short, making it feel like a real anime. To try 11 Labs for yourself, just click the link in the description or the pinned comment below. It's that easy. And just like that, we download our high-quality narration, ready to be synced with our epic visuals. We've got the incredible visuals, the fluid animation, and Kael's powerful voice. Now, for the final game-changing layer that makes our anime truly cinematic, professional music and sound effects from Epidemic Sound. If you want that crisp, clean audio that all the top YouTubers use, Epidemic Sound is your go-to. They have an insane library of royalty-free tracks and sound effects that you can use on YouTube without worrying about copyright strikes. And guess what? You can jump in with a free trial right now to test it out. Just click the link in the description or the pinned comment. I'm searching for epic, dark, solo, leveling style music and super impactful sound effects like sword clashes, monster roars, and intense impacts. This library is pure gold for content creators. This is it, the command center. This is where all the power of AI comes together in CapCut. We've got our stunning AI animated video from Google Flow, Kael's epic voice from 11 Labs, and our professional music and sound effects from Epidemic Sound. Now, we just drop them into CapCut and we start making movie magic. First, timeline assembly. We lay out our animated clips, sync Kael's narration perfectly, then drop in our background music and precisely align every single sound effect to the action. Every sword swing, every monster roar, it all gets its moment. This is where we cut, trim, and adjust the pacing. Every single second counts in a short. We're making sure every visual perfectly matches the narration, every beat of the music hits just right. We can even tweak speeds for dramatic impact or add quick, seamless transitions to keep the energy high. And just like that, with everything perfectly mixed and edited, we have our final high-quality AI-generated solo leveling anime short. From a simple idea to a full-blown animated series episode, all powered by free or trial AI tools. Now, think about it. If you can do one 30-second episode, you can absolutely create 15 more, dominating YouTube Shorts and TikTok with your very own AI anime series. Here is the anime short we created.
The past claws at his soul, a phantom limb that aches with what was lost. For Kael, sleep offers no solace, only the chilling echo of betrayal. The monster that shattered his world left a trail of whispers, a morbid breadcrumb path. Every cryptic sign, every half-heard rumor from the city's depths fuels his grim pursuit. There is no escape from the past, only the cold, hard path to its reckoning, and Kael has just begun his hunt.
All right, you've just seen it. In just 8 simple steps, we took a blank page and transformed it into a professional, action-packed, solo leveling style anime short starring our very own anti-hero, Kael. With this exact pipeline, you can create not just 1, but 15 full episodes of your very own anime series, just like that. This isn't just about making cool videos. This is about building an entire content empire with the incredible power of AI. If you want to learn more, if you want to dive deeper into these tools, or if you just want to see what other crazy projects I'm cooking up, then you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next epic breakdown. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.